Hi everybody, we're back again with a new lesson, which is the mixtures and solutions. Today we'll start talking about something that related to physical change. If you remember that lesson that we studied last week, is talking about exactly the matters that change from solid to liquid or gas, from solid to liquid or from liquid to gas, are some matters that we change it by tearing or cutting them. Okay, all of these are kinds of of physical change, if you remember. So if you remember also the state of water, if you remember the lesson of the state of water, is a kind of physical change because the water changed from liquid to gas or from gas to liquid, because so many kinds of process like condensation or evaporation. Okay, today we complete talking about the physical change, and exactly we were talking about exactly what the mixture and solutions. So mixture is what exactly, guys? If you read this word, sure you will understand something that related to so many kinds of substance that you have to mix them together in case to give you a required mixture or dish. Okay, for example, here, this is an example of of mixture, like a fruit salad. The fruit salad is example of mixture because why, guys? Because there are more than two substances that mixed here together, okay, that are mixed together here. So, if you focus well here, how many kinds exactly here of fruit you will find? I think if we want to count them, we start with strawberry, 1, kiwi, 2, raspberry, 3, mango, I think, or orange, I am not sure, but this one number 4, and grape number 5. So the total kinds of fruit here is about 5, so it's more than 2. Okay, guys, is 2 or more than 2. Okay, this is the mixture. So mixture is what exactly? Is substances that are combined without changing any of them. So no need to change them. Okay, guys, what does mean of that? So after you cut them, it's a kind of fruit that you cut them into small pieces. This is a physical change, guys, right? After you cut them into small pieces, you mix them together in case to produce something we call it mixture. So the mixture is what is related to the physical change. Because why? Because we change the shape and the size of the fruit to smaller shape, okay, and we mix them together for making something like a fruit salad, which is what is a mixture. Okay, so again is two or more substances that are combined without changing any of them. Okay, so here mixture is two or more substances that are, okay, we know that. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, the fruit salad is for making a mixture. Okay, guys, is a physical change. I told you why it's physical change, guys. Why it's physical change? Because what? Because you resize and reduce the size of the fruit and you cut them into small pieces. So the size or the shape of the fruit will change. For that reason we call it is a physical change, but the identity, they keep its identity. The fruit keep its identity. So many different kinds of fruit have been cut and put into the bowl, but each kind of fruit in this mixture has kept its identity. Okay, guys, this is what I mean. So this fruit doesn't change its identity. So what I mean that you can taste the strawberry even if you cut it to small pieces, or the raspberry or the kiwi, so you can taste the fruit. Okay, guys, you can find the taste of the fruit here. Okay, for that reason nothing is a change here about the identity. Only the change is what is the shape or the size. Okay, this is what we mean. For that reason we call it physical change. Okay, let's go now to the solution. Sorry. Solution also is mixture. Okay, guys, a solution is mixture. If we want to know what does mean of mixture, I told you is more than 2 or 3 substances that mixed together. But how you can differentiate between the mixture and solution, we will see now today. But you have, before to differentiate between solution and mixture, you have first to understand what does mean of solution. Okay, guys, so solution is a mixture, is the same mixture, but in which all substances are what evenly mixed. What does mean of that? Evenly mixed. Evenly mixed is mean what? when you dissolve them together, okay, when you dissolve the salt with warm water, so the particles of salt starting to what? To dissolve with water, so you will not find the particles of salt with the water here. So this is example of what? Of solution. Okay guys, solution is something anyway related to liquids, okay guys, but you have to know that substance what are evenly mixed together without seeing the what? The particles of them. That's what I mean. Here you can see, or you can notice, the fruits kinds, so many kinds of fruit you can see or notice them, but here no, you can't see. After you dissolve the salt with warm water, you will not see the particles of salt anymore. Okay guys, that's what I mean. For that reason we call it what? Solution. Okay guys, solution, it's mean what? When when you dissolve the salt or sugar with the water, and what? The particles are what? Evenly mixed. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So to make a solution, you completely mix what? Or dissolve or one substance in another. Okay guys, for example, the salt with water, the sugar with water, lemon with water also is example of a solution. What about the juices? Okay guys, now I will give you so many examples related to the solution. Okay guys, but now to understand what does mean of solution, only it's something that what you have to is more than two substances that what? Mix them together, but mix them what? Evenly mixed. Okay, it should be what? It should be dissolved. Okay guys, the particles should be what? Dissolved. What does mean of dissolved? I told you many times, dissolved, it's something that you if it's what you do to make a solution. It's what to do to make a solution by what? Dissolving or mix them evenly mix them together, in case to don't see any particles of them inside the warm water here. For that reason we call it what? We call it what? Solution. Solution, to dissolve the particles of salt or sugar inside the water. So now if you want to ask me now, okay, I know now this fruit salad is mixture, and the salt with water is mixture also as well, but how we can differentiate between them? Which one of them is solution? The solution where you can find the particles what? Dissolve with another part, or when you find a substance dissolve with another the substance. Okay, for example, the salt and water. The salt is the first substance and the water is the second substance, so the salt will be dissolved with warm water and evenly mixed. For that reason we call it what? Solution. Okay, but here no, you can't find the types of fruit here, so for that reason we call this one mixture, but we call this one what? Solution. Okay guys, another example of solution is the juice. Juice is lemonade. Okay, the lemonade is example of solution that made of what exactly? How many substances exactly? How many substances? If you count them, 1, 2, 3: water, lemon, and sugar. When you mix them together, they are what? They mix them together, so we mean what? That dissolve with each other. They dissolve with each other and evenly mix together to make this solution, this delicious solution, by the way. So when you mix them together or you dissolve them together, the particles of each one will be what? Evenly mixed with another. Okay, evenly mixed with another. Okay, for that reason it will make something like lemonade, or this solution we call it what? Lemonade. Okay guys, so lemonade is mixture of water, sugar, and lemon juice. It's also solution because the sugar and lemon juice have dissolved in the water. Okay, so each kind of matter in a solution keeps its identity. Why guys? Because you can taste the lemonade. Okay guys, you can taste easily the lemonade and sugar. Okay guys, for that reason it's keep its identity. For that reason we call it what? Mixture. And it's kind of what guys? Of physical change. Is not it's not related to any change. It's related only to physical change. Because what? Because it's keep its identity. Because you can taste the lemonade, you can taste the sugar, you can taste the particles that we dissolve them together. Okay, in case of what? Of produce the solution, which is the lemonade. Okay, it may not seem that way of keeping identity because you can see all the different substances. So in solutions, I told you many times, you can see the particles of sugar after you dissolve them here. Okay guys, you can see also the particles of lemon after you dissolve them with water here. So what does mean of that? Now if you try to heat a container of water and you start to pour some salt in case of what, and starting to stir them together, so after a few minutes you will find the particles of salt inside the water? Sure, no. How you can separate between them? You can separate between the salt and the warm water by what? Exactly, by the evaporation only. Okay guys, but this is a different topic that I will complete talking about that inshallah next days. But here now I'm talking about solution. You can see the particles of solution because it's solution, because they evenly mixed. Okay guys, the particles are evenly mixed. Okay, so you can see the particles of them. For that reason we call it solution. So all their tiny parts are evenly mixed together. For that reason you can see the particles. I told you that many times. So you can see the particles of lemon or sugar because what? Because they are evenly mixed. They are evenly mixed. Okay, the particles are evenly mixed. This is our lesson today. I will start to solve with you now the activity. I think here everything we understand it. I think this is the solution. You can differentiate between them, between the solution and the mixture. The mixture, because why we call it mixture? Only because it's changed only the shape and the size of the fruit. So the big size of fruit will be, you will cut them into small pieces and you mix them together in case to prepare something like a fruit salad. Okay guys, so this is a mixture. What about solution? The solution is is the particle that dissolve with each other. For that reason we call it solution. Okay, because you can see the particles after you dissolve them. See now this man starting to stir the lemonade, because why guys? Because he won't dissolve the sugar with lemon here. Okay guys, for that reason we call it solution. Let's go now to the next page. Yes, here I think here, yeah. Okay, here it's also the questions are solved already. Okay, no problem. Okay, number one, complete each sentence. Okay, let me zoom in the page, please. Sorry. Yes, like this. Here, okay. Lemonade is one kind of what? Of mixture. Okay, is a one kind. We can say it's solution. No, it's mixture also. It's mixture and solution both together. Both of them are are correct. To make a lemonade, you dissolve. Okay, dissolve. It's stirring something to to mix them together evenly, to be evenly mixed. Okay guys, that's what I mean. So dissolve sugar and lemon juice in water. This is a kind of of dissolve, to mix them or to make them evenly mixed. This is the dissolve. In a solution like lemonade, substances are evenly mixed together. Okay, so they evenly mixed together. Okay, let's go now to the booklet and I will solve with you the booklet. Okay, in case to keep in your mind the information more. Okay, let's see here. I think no, not here. I think here. Yes. Okay. Here, okay, if you are now please with me, please open your book, page 51. Okay guys, page 51. Open your book, page 51. Let's start solving the. Okay. Oh my god, why? No problem. Okay. Let's go to the first question. Question number one. Complete the following. Okay, number one. A is two or more substances that are combined without changing. Without changing is what exactly? Is the mixture. Mixture, okay? Making mixture is a what? If you remember, make a mixture to cut the big piece of fruit into small pieces, and mix them together. Big pieces of fruits, you cut them into small pieces and mix them together to make a fruit salad. Is a kind of what? It's the kind of Physical change. Why it's physical change? Because the mixture has kept its identity. Okay, guys. So for that reason, I will write here what? Physical change. Okay, physical what change? Sorry. Physical change. Okay, physical change. Number 3 is a mixture in which all the substances are evenly mixed. Which one? Evenly mixed. What we can write here exactly, guys? What is the scientific term of this definition, guys? A mixture in which all the substances are what? Evenly mixed. The solution, sure. Sure is what? The solution. Okay, to make a solution, you completely what? Or one substance in another. So try to think. You completely what? To make a solution. They're asking you about solution. To completely what? Dissolve. Okay, mix or dissolve one substance to another. Dissolve or mix one substance to another. Okay, guys. So this is what we call it. Okay, what we call it what? Solution when you mix or dissolve one solution substance to another. So we call it what? Mix, or let me write it here, solve. Let's go now to the next page. Okay, here. Oh, sorry, we still in page, by the way, we still in page 51. Okay, we still in page 51. So all solutions are what exactly? All solutions are mixture. Okay, now question number 2 is the homework. Fruit salad is mixture. True or false? True, sure. Okay, guys, it's true. So you have to write here true. Fruit salad is solution. No, is wrong. Because you can't see the pieces of fruit here. Because I told you it's kept its identity. Okay, for that reason it's false. Fruit salad is solution. Salt water is a solution and mixture. By the way, fruit salad has kept its identity, but also lemonade juice. Lemonade is example of the solution that kept its identity, because you can taste the lemon juice and you can taste the sugar. Okay, guys. So all of them kept its identity, but I mean, you can see the particles here, but in the lemonade you can see the particle of sugar, for example, or at least one of them. You can see, at least you can see all of them, the particles of all of them. That's what I mean. So salt water is solution and mixture as well. Salt water is solution and mixture as well. It's true. Okay, lemonade is a mixture of water, sugar, and lemon juice. Okay, this one is correct. It's true also, because I told you, because this lemonade is solution and mixture. Because for that reason we say that is true. And is made of what? How many substances? More than 2 or more than 1 at least. For that reason we call it what? Mixture, which is water, sugar, and lemon. Okay, guys, anything that's made of more than 1 substance is what? Is a mixture. Okay, but I told you how, you know now how to differentiate between the mixture and solution. Okay, let's go now to the next page. Okay, here, identify which of them is what? Is mixture. Okay, is it a mixture or no? Let's see this one. Starting with this one. This one is a mixture of what? Here what is a so many kinds of seeds that mixed together, so we call them also mixture, by the way. Mixture. What about this one? Fruit salad. We know that is mixture also. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next page now. I think question number 4. Write the scientific term for each one here. 2 or more substances that are combined without changing. We call them what exactly? What about the second one? A mixture in which all the substances are evenly mixed. Are what? Evenly mixed. We call it what exactly, guy? Solution. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.